In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change region on Bing. This is helpful if you want search results, news, shopping, or maps that reflect a different location than where you're currently browsing. It doesn't change your actual IP address or act like a VPN, but it does tell Bing which country or region you prefer for content and ranking. Start by opening your favorite web browser and going to www.bing.com. This works the same on major browsers like Edge, Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Don't worry if the Bing homepage looks a little different based on your current location. The option we need is always in the same general area. Look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a menu or settings icon, which might appear as 3 horizontal lines or a small gear. Click that icon to open Bing's quick menu. From there, choose Settings. Depending on the layout you see, this may open a small panel or take you to a dedicated settings page. Either way, you're in the right place. Within Settings, look for an option labeled Country, Region, or simply Region. The exact wording can vary slightly, and sometimes it's grouped under a General Preferences area. You're looking for the place where Bing lets you tell it which country or region to use for tailoring your experience. Click the Country Region option, and then select your preferred country or region from the list. This selection influences the types of sources Bing pulls from, what local news and businesses are emphasized, and how certain features like maps and shopping are localized. Keep in mind, this is different from language preferences. You can view the interface in one language while still choosing a different region for content emphasis if that suits your needs. After choosing your region, scroll down if necessary. Some versions of the page show a Save button at the bottom. If you see Save, click it to apply your changes. In other layouts, your selection may be applied automatically without an additional button, and you might see a brief confirmation or the page may just update. Once saved, return to the Bing homepage or run a search. You should notice content aligning with the region you selected. Because this preference is stored with your browser and in some cases your Bing profile, changes can persist across sessions. If you're signed in, the region preference may follow you across devices. If you're not, it's typically tied to your browser cookies. That's all there is to it. Go to Bing, open Settings, find Country or Region, pick the location you want, and save if prompted. Enjoy a search experience tailored to the region that matters most to you.